Mujer divina, como...
Hi guys, my name is Nako Nakatsuka. I'm a fourth year chemistry PhD student at UCLA, and today I'll be helping you guys out by going over some general chemistry concepts. And good luck with the
So I also wanted to go over some of the common names which are often used non-IUPAC names. And so there's ones that have the prefix iso, which have two methyl groups and a CH bonded to something else. And so an example of this is isobutane. So remember, since it's butane, there has to be 4 carbons in total. And so we have the CH, CH3, CH3, which is the iso portion of it, attached to another methyl group. We also have the prefix neo, which is 3 methyl groups attached to a carbon. And a typical example of this is neopentane. Neo is only used for pentane and up. But there's also neohexane, which I can draw right here as having the carbon attached to a methyl, and a methyl, which is the neo portion, and then the rest is just the CH2, CH3 for neohexane. But as you can see here, pentane can take on all 3 forms. The classic pentane, which is unbranched, and then the isopentane, which has this part, and then also a neopentane, which has these on both sides. So cycloalkanes are carbon ring structures with 3 to 30 carbons, and they're cyclic hydrocarbons. So we just always put a prefix of cyclo before the number of carbons it has, which is all the alkanes that we just went over. So for cyclopropane, it has 3 carbons distributed like so with 6 hydrogens. For cyclobutane, you have 4 carbons. Cyclopentane, you have 5, and cyclohexane, you have 6. And these 2 are the most common. And so the general molecular formula for cycloalkanes are CnH2n. For example, for cyclopropane, you have 3 carbons, so N equals 3, and then you have 6 hydrogens. The naming of cycloalkanes is very similar to the naming of alkanes. And so as an example, if we have something that looks like this is an isopropyl group, one of the common names that we just went over. So this is quite simply an isopropyl, and since it has 5 carbons, cyclopentane. And we don't have to put any number on when there's only 1 substituent on the ring. But if you have 2 substituents, then you have to indicate where those things are. So for this example, let's use a cyclohexane with a methyl group right here, and also a tert butyl group, which is another common name that we just went over. So if the 2 substituents are on the ring, and if the substituent numbers are the same, the first named group gets the lower number. So in this case, this is a butyl group, and this is a methyl group. So alphabetically, butyl will come before methyl. And so we're going to name this as the first carbon, second, third, and fourth. So that this would be 1 tert butyl, because of the structure, 4 methyl, cyclohexane. So as you can see, when you have more than 1 substituent on the ring, we have to name the one that comes alphabetically before as the first number. And also remember, just like alkanes, you always want to achieve the lowest possible numbering system.